Hello, welcome back to another vlog, and hope you guys are having a lot of fun on this V-Day. And we are here waiting for Nitish and Ashley to come, and we are gonna be eating shashuka and an amazing breakfast. You'll see. Stay tuned for how Tanya is making. Okay.
My hot toast that I made?
That was gonna be my surprise.
Oh.
Well, anyways, also, we are going to the Ethiopian restaurant tonight, so we are super excited. I know you guys showed a lot of love when we went to the Ethiopian food with mom last time. That video is like a viral video on our channel.
Yep.
We'll put up the link here. You can go watch it out, how moms reacted to the Ethiopian food for the first time. Today, Ashley is gonna be going with us for the first time. Yep. We are going like on a double date today. Yeah. So, stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. Happy Valentine's Day! I know. Kisses all over the place. You go give kiss Esther, and they are here. Hi. I know, baby. I know. Whoa, what?
Jabua and Fufa and Marvel.
All right. You wanna open it?
Yes.
The flag is open. Just FYI. FYI.
Oh my god! Look at that card! Happy Valentine's Day! Oh, look at his drawing.
Oh, look at the drawings and the hearts inside.
Someone who makes my heart happy every
The
day.
hand.
Yeah.
Whose hand is that, Elliot's?
Yes. And
Oh
that's
my
Marvel.
God.
He drew Marvel over there. That is so cute.
Oh my God. This is super awesome. We gotta call
I
him.
love this.
He picked it up for you guys.
Yeah.
We gotta call him.
Yep.
Well, happy Valentine to you guys.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yes. Happy Valentine's Day.
Marvel wrong, baby.
That's good.
Hi.
Thank you for the card. It's so beautiful.
Did you pick it for us?
Yeah.
And you drew Marvel inside it?
Huh?
You drew Marvel on the card?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was so pretty. Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
I don't know.
Alright, brunch time. They got us some Starbucks coffee, and shashuka is already gone. And cinnamon rolls. You can check out the video. It's gonna be on tonight's special if you look for a recipe. And Tanya made, you guys saw, these little heart-shaped toast.
Nice.
So we are all gonna enjoy some brunch, and I'm gonna post a picture of the shashuka, how it looked before it got massacred and eaten. So keep watching the vlog. Right, let's go and show you guys the gift. There it is. Tanya is always wanting the full-length mirror in the room, and she got one.
Yeah.
So we are ready to head out.
Yes.
All dressed up, and we are going to eat. Huh?
He's gonna wear a jacket, I'm saying.
Yes, it's very cold outside. My jacket is right there. I'm gonna wear it, and we are going to an Ethiopian place.
Yep.
And
Very excited to show you the food because we are very excited to eat it.
Alright guys, so last night we didn't finish the vlog because our dinner was a fail. So we had a Valentine dinner fail. Basically, we all got ready, and we all, after just keeping the dogs at home, we just went out and we went to this Ethiopian place like we told you. And there was no wait time at the place, so we all got seated, and you guys have no idea. We waited for like 30 minutes before the food got served, and everybody was already in that mode, like we were laughing, making fun and whatnot. And that was making Ashley actually very uncomfortable. Alright, we are making Ashley really nervous right now. Because we haven't got our food yet.
Yeah, so we were like, there's a Mexican restaurant next door. We're thinking to ditch this place and go over there.
And that's making her very comfortable. Look at her face getting red. Her blood pressure is going high.
Low on calories right now.
Because like she is not comfortable with the confrontations, and we were literally planning to just go to another restaurant, but then the food came, so we were excited about that part, and we got the nice big thali with chicken and injera and cabbage and all that stuff, and Ashley didn't like it. So we all were like just watching each other.
Shit kind of thing.
Yeah, we like totally misjudged her palate. We thought she would like it because she loves Indian food, but the spices are a little different, and she didn't happen to like the flavor of the bread itself, so she couldn't eat anything, and the chicken was very spicy for her. So we had like an epic fail for dinner, and she barely survived on some French fries. And after that, while driving back, we thought, okay, let's go get some frozen yogurt. We all can have some nice dessert. We went to Yopop, and then we were eating our yogurt on our way back, and then halfway through the yogurt, Tanya found this really weird thing in our brownie, baked in a brownie, and that was like super weird. And then when we finally made home, we picked on our way a little bit of fried rice and chicken for Ashley from Panda Express. And this morning we heard back that that wasn't good too, so she couldn't eat that either. Like she loves Panda Express, but she felt like since we picked so late in the night, and maybe the restaurants were slow yesterday because of Valentine's Day, it felt like the food was old or kept too long outside, and it didn't have that freshness that you like. So anyways, well, that was our Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys had fun. So please share your stories, and if you ever had a funny Valentine's Day, let us know in our comment section below.
Yep.
And we're gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, keep having fun. Ta-ta, bye-bye.